Welcome to Preschool Genius. Today, we're gonna guess these animals by looking at their blurry movements and shapes. Are you ready? Let's start with the first animal. What animal this is? Chicken. Okay, next. Cow. You better can guess this one. Pig. Next. Dog. This one is a bit harder. Bee. Can you guess this one? Alpaca. You better can guess this one. Duck. Moving on to the next one. Camel. Can you identify this animal? Snail. Next. Dove. Be careful, it's getting more harder from here. Sheep. Okay, let's do another one. Shrimp. Okay, next. Deer. Moving on to the next one. Swan. Last one. Bull. That's it. How many of your guesses are correct? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.